Good morning, Woodmanston family. This is Miss Kumi. Welcome to our celebration assembly. I hope you are all keeping well. I've been thinking a lot about celebrations in the past few weeks and wondered if some of you have celebrated your birthdays or looking forward to one. There has also been a special birthday in the news. You may have been keeping an eye on Captain Tom, who has been working really hard to raise funds for the NHS in fighting COVID-19. Captain Tom celebrated his 100th birthday last week. And guess what? He received, wait for this, well over 135,000 birthday cards. Wow, how amazing. And that was not the end. To also honor him for his achievement in supporting the NHS, he has been promoted to the rank of a colonel. At Woodmanston, we believe in recognizing and celebrating all our efforts. We may not be celebrating 100 years like Colonel Tom yet, or raising millions for the NHS yet, but we can join in celebrating our efforts and contributions each day. Take a look. Well done to our Woodmanston pupils. Please stay safe and keep well, and enjoy the bank holiday weekend. Thank you.